So the plunge cut has been done. Just a reminder of the setup. This is a Eclectics Woodworking in Culver City, Los Angeles project. This is a little bar. Ties in a little bit the beer circle crowds. There's 3 TVs and the curved bar I've built for Eclectics Woodworking. Check out our website at eclecticswoodworking.com. It's missing the countertops yet, but maybe 3 TVs. Obviously you can see that. Some mirrors back and lockable upper booze glass door cabinets and glass shelves. And we have some light fixtures. They'll shine all the way through the glass. Anyway, find out from the audio people that there will be a subwoofer shooting the sound out of the bar. And so, built these benches too, by the way. And 2 of them are straight and 2 of them are curved. It's kind of hard to see, but they follow the curve of the bar. At this point right now, it's a little bit of plastic and it holds it together, but it's curved on the inside as well. So there's a template to use. It's a really common situation. You have something that you can't avoid. You have to do a plunge cut. So do your template to your dimensions. Put a rib in the middle. Screw the template through the rib in the middle into the face of what you're doing. Usually would use a Festool to be a plunge cut at the shop before this was installed, but since this came up after, there's no other way. Now that this is done, I'm going to use my clamps to clamp the template now that there's area, so I can clamp it and remove the rib and finish routing the cutouts. And that's that. It'll be a fabric frame with a matching collar to the wood as close as possible. And the subwoofer will be shooting sound out in the room in this area. But I'll show more about these intricate kind of plunge cut routed jigs. This is with a ring, a 5/8 and 1/2 inch router bit, regular router, plunge router, I recommend. So anyway, a lot of notes. Here's the template clamps. I used a pocket hole jig to screw this rib into the side, and obviously I want the pocket, the screws on the face so I can remove them without having to move the template out of alignment. So here it is, clamped. I'm going to remove it and finish routing. There it is. Just remove the, if you're not familiar with what pocket holes are, this is one of the system. Just remove the screws that were holding this in place right there, and I've exposed the fascia of the bar that hasn't been cut yet, so I'm going to plunge that in. And you're on the spot. Impossible to clamp. Plunge cut or cutout is done, or routed, I should say. It's been noisy here, but here's the plunge cut's finished. Remove my clamps. If you're wondering what these conduits here is, it's, you know, for inside the bar cabinets. There's a couple of outlets. And there it is. The subwoofer trap or opening. It's gonna have to go through inside cabinets, but here's the setup. There's the wet bar here, be a sink here, a countertop and 2 refrigerators. Outlet cabinets with glassware probably. Kind of interesting that it's been separated from the main bar. I think it was just the purpose of confining everything there in that corner. But anyway, that's the trick of the day.